Hey guys, and welcome back to new unboxing video. This is Ketul Patel and today we have Samsung Galaxy S10 to unbox.
To the summer of love.
This is 128 GB version and prism black color. This is how the box look like. It has a silver finishing for S10, EMI number, and here is the description of Samsung Galaxy S10. So you can see here it is 128 GB. So let's unbox, and yeah, it is for Indian SIM cards only, but I think we can also activate international SIM card too. So here we have the phone. Let's keep it in and see. So here is the fast charging adapter, OTG, Samsung OTG. You can use your USB in your phone. Then here it is the charging cable. It's not too long, but it's enough. And here is the earphone of AKG. Sorry. It comes with the extra rubber ports. The earphone looks good, the quality build is, and here is the non-breakable thread, you can see, and here up it's a plastic wire, a plus minus volume button to pick up the phone. Yes, it fits best in your ears, might be. So this was the accessories that come inside the box. Let's keep it aside, and here on top of the box you can see that here we get a plastic cover, back cover, not too good material, but it's good. A quick start guide, some manuals, and here is the SIM ejection pin at the back of this. I'll keep this all aside, and here it's our phone. So it's glass at the back side, 3 cameras, sensor over here, flash. At this side, right hand side, you have a power button. Let's start our phone. So here you can see our phone is ready, and here you have another one button and volume up and down button. At the bottom you can find audio jack pin, charging port, speakers, and mic. At top you have a SIM ejection, and here it's one another. So let me quickly start it. So it covers the full screen, you can see, and here is the inbuilt display front camera. And here there is a speaker to listen, and you can see the camera quality is good. There are multiple options: video, super slow motion, hyperlapse, food, panorama, pro. There are multiple options available for camera, and the phone looks good. Its touch is very smooth. You can see that its touch is very smooth. So this is how a Samsung Galaxy S10 look like. So if you like the video, press like button, subscribe to our channel and stay connected for more of the unboxing videos. Thank you for watching.